Hi, Margaret. Now, you know what? I haven't tried myself, but here's what I would do. I would take a copy of the full screen slider page here. So wherever you're going to build this page, if it's going to be in the root, then make a copy of the full screen slider like this and move it up like so. Okay. And then preview it to make sure all the links updated. Right. So we're going to open this up, just do an F12, make sure it actually works. There it is right there. We got the back and forth arrows. Excellent. And we got the buttons down here. Okay, cool. So step number one, it works. Number two, now what you can do is you can take any page, I'm assuming, right? So the About page and the full screen slider page here, right? And we just have to move whatever code makes it run. So we have to open up the full screen slider, and you'd have to grab the style sheet here. Okay, contact panel, don't need that. So this one for sure, you'd have to copy this link into your page. Right. And we're going to put it into an editable region here, the component scripts section right here. And what else do we have to do? Now you can right here, these ones right here, anything that says full screen slider, you'd have to copy those. Same thing into this section right here. And that's why I want it in the same root folder, the same folder as the page, so that way we don't have to bother updating links and whatnot, because that can be a nuisance. Right, and then you just go and grab the actual library component. Let's go see how it's embedded here in the page. All right, because it's going to be set to 100% width. That's the de facto. I can tell you that already. I'm just not sure. There it is, right there. So this right here, you probably don't need the wrapper here. You probably just need the library file. So you can just now click on the lib item like so. All right, see how it's all selected like that? Great. And just copy it, go into your About page, find a column like a 210 or something like that. We have something lower down on the page here with a setup. Well, here's an 8. So if I went into my left column right here and I pop that in like so, that technically should work. And there it is right there, and it does. You see how it only takes up the width of room that's available? Just like that. And there we are. Works right out of the box. So there's that. Now you had another question. Yeah, on the library pages. Oh, absolutely. You can create as many copies of this as you want. So you go to your sliders, and I do this all the time we do this all the time when we're doing special updates and whatnot, is here's your full screen slider, right? See this? Yeah, the LBI page. Yeah, just make a copy, paste, rename it to whatever. Typically, I would do something like full screen slider, and then I would do actually hyphen about, full screen slider dash about, and this would be the one that I put into the About page that I just gave you an example of, right? And that's fine and dandy. You can now it's actually going to be in your assets panel as well. Right, you'll slide down, there'll be a full screen slider About, and then you can actually insert that just like I copied and pasted. You can go and insert by hitting the insert button right here. Instead of copying and pasting, you can insert it into that region.